Okay. Yeah, and then if the wheel snaps, you'll break your freaking wrist.
That's right. Okay, we can go ahead and follow them out. Everybody's available with their helmet. We have 23 drivers on Instructor. Instructor mentor when I started learning this track 4 years ago, and he has been racing since the 60s.
Oh wow.
You know Ken Miles in the Ford versus Ferrari?
Yep.
He grew up with Ken Miles' kid, and Ken Miles taught him to drive.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool.
Okay, so we're going to start walking on the left side of the track here.
Okay.
By the rumble strip there, turn up to the curb here, go over to the curb on the left. All the way out to the right edge of the track and head towards the launch. Get a power pylon way in the distance and power tower. That's what you want to line up on for your braking. You want to brake in a straight line, brakes in a straight line, brake, brake, brake. Ease off the brake. Can we take this down off the mirror?
Yeah.
That's a big distraction. Thank you. Get to the curb on the right. Awesome, thank you. Nice smooth turn here. Come all the way out to the right on the exit. Do not hit the end of this curve. A little bit of brake. Okay. Then keep it tight on the inside. Eyes up, looking ahead. Don't accelerate. Don't accelerate. Just maintain speed.
Okay.
Otherwise, it'll spit you out to the left. Now, a nice smooth turn. Come all the way out to the right on the exit. But keep turning left. Get all the way back to the left. All the way left. Line up next to this curve and brakes next to the curve. Brake, brake, brake. Turn tight for a late apex here. That's going to open up this second turn so you can accelerate out to the right, all the way to the right edge of the track, and then keep it on the right as we get into this turn. Okay. As we accelerate through this corner, the momentum of the car is going to bring us all the way out to the left. Let the car do the work here. Good. Go, go, go down the straight. Start braking at the 300 mark if you're on the left. Brake, brake, brake. Ease off the brake. Nice and smooth into the turn, down to the dark patch just beyond the curve. Brake, brake. Start up on the power pylon. Brake. Brake, 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 brake. Slow it down, slow it down. Right side tires to the broken patch. Out to the curb in the middle. Down tight on the second apex. Tight, tight, tight. Get it right next to that curve. There was that little dip. Yep, that was good. Okay. You can accelerate past them if you want to. Just take these the first class. Focus on things. Coming up, brake markers on the apron now to the right. You have to turn 100. Start braking to the 300 again. Especially that focus. Brake hard. Brake, brake, brake. Nice smooth entry. There's a second curve that's going to show up pointing at the left side of the curve. This next, yep, right next to that curve. Now hold your hand steady. Let the car go. Just maintain speed. Let the car come out into the middle. Just maintain speed. Okay. What that's going to do is that's going to bring us back to the curve just beyond these cones. We want to keep it on this curve just a little bit. Keep it on the curve. Keep it on the curve. Now a nice smooth turn. And then gradually work it out to the left and go down the straight. Nice up on the car. Heavy crossing. Break it off. On top of the wall. Then go right hard to the 300. Brake. Brake, brake, brake. Brake, brake, brake. Brake, brake, brake. Ease off the brake. Right side tires to the broken patch. Out to the curve in the middle. Up tight on the second apex. Turn your head more to get eyes up. Back all the way out to the curve on the left. And keep turning right for this next apex. Nice. Over to the curve on the left. See how we just turned 3 corners into one? That was good. Eyes up looking ahead. Line up on the power pylon way in the distance. We're braking a straight line as we get past the second. Brake. Brake, brake, brake. Ease off the brake. Start turning to the middle of the crest. Get your eyes over looking to the curve beyond the cones. And just a little bit of brake, just a touch of brake, and then nice smooth turn all the way up to the right on the exit. Touch of brakes at the entrance, and then just maintain speed. Ease off the brakes, just hold speed. Eyes up, looking ahead. Turn your head more. Okay. Yep, now a nice smooth turn. Come all the way out to the right on the exit. Keep turning left. Get it all the way back to the left. All the way left, all the way left. Line up on the curve. Brakes, brake, 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 brake. Turn tight for a late apex. Good. Nice. Nice smooth turn here. Track all the way out. Good. Keep it on the right. Accelerate. Keep it on the right. Let the momentum of the car now bring it out to the left. Go, go, go. Good. 2.5. Nice. Wow. Brake, 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 brake. Ease off. Yep, we're catching up to him. Line up on the power pylon. Brakes. Brake, 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 brake. Nice smooth turn. Right side tires on the broken patch. Out to the curve. He was wide. Get down tight on the second apex. Squeeze those power just straight to the wheel. All the way up to the left. And all the way out to the right. Oh, yeah. Good. Look where you want to go. Gently, gently. Nice smooth turn. Gently, gently. Big gas all the way over to the left. Brake hard next to the curb. Brake, brake, brake. Turn tight for late apex. Good. Nice and smooth. Gently with the throttle. Be smooth. Yep. Down to the right. Yep. Smoothly add power. Smoothly add power. Look at the momentum. Look the power didn't work. Bring out to the left. Good. Go down the straight. Out to the curb in the middle, eyes to the second apex, turn tight. Yep, we missed it that time, we're a little bit wide. That's okay. We'll get there. All the way out to the right. Good. Hard, 300. Brake, 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 brake. Ease off the brakes. Turn down to that second curve. Get the left side tires by that curve. Good. Hold your hands steady. Eyes up, looking ahead. Got to be smooth with the gas. Up tight on the second apex, out to the curb on the left, and keep turning for the third apex. Nice. You're doing great through there. Yep. Ease on power, Jim. Ease on power. Ease on the right. Brake, 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 more brake, more brake, more brake. Ease off the brake. Over the crest, keep turning right to the curb beyond the cones. Little bit of brake, nice smooth turn. All the way out to the right. Again, just a touch of brakes down in the keyhole, maintain speed. Eyes up, looking ahead. Keep it tight on the inside, all the way around. Tight, tight, tight. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now turn around. All the way out to the right. Keep turning left. Bring it all the way back left. Set up for the bus stop. Brake next to the curb. Brake, 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 brake. Turn tight for a late apex. Good. Nice smooth turn here. Come all the way out to the right on the exit. Smooth gas. Just gently accelerate. Let the work, let the car bring it out to the left. And then bring it out to the left. Go power. Out to the curb in the middle, down tight to the second apex. That was better. You feel that little dip? Yeah. That says you nailed that second apex. You feel that dip on the right front corner. Oh, that was great.
Yes, sir.
He's got major problems.
Yeah.
That's a cooked engine. They throw the checker.
I hear that you're going to red flag the field.
Pull into the pits. They're going to need to get safety out there. You're doing awesome.
Thank you.
Yes, we're going to red flag the field.
Yep. Yeah, we're doing the right
Yeah,
thing.
copy. I see your stop car.
Safety's going out right now.
Yeah, when it gets squirrely is when it's shifting, so maybe I need to change drive modes.
Which mode were you in?
Sport Plus.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, it felt like you were getting just a little too eager with the throttle, but some of that, if that makes it too sensitive.
Yeah, the throttle response goes crazy.
Yeah, you may want to knock it back to sport for the next run. But,
And then it was shifting like some mid corners.
Yep.
So
that can do it too sometimes.
Yeah.
But overall, that was awesome.
Thank you.
You were smooth. You were obviously paying attention to what I've been telling you, and hopefully the pointers were helpful.
Oh, very helpful.
Coming at a good pace.
I could feel as soon as you showed me that line to turn those 3 corners into one.
Yeah.
I was like, this makes perfect sense. This is amazing.
Isn't that fun when you get it right?
Yeah, yeah.
You were seriously. That was wonderful. You did a super job, and I was having fun riding with you.
Good, good.
For a first day on a track like this, you are getting it. A good pace. You were doing the bus stop perfectly too.
Oh, nice.
Could you feel how it made a difference with getting through the second part?
Oh,
of it,
yeah.
with that late turn in on
Like
the
it-
first part.
Yeah. Yeah, I was able to get on the throttle like even earlier than what I had figured out. You know, during the follow laps.
Yep.
Get it like sharper, like almost a 90 degree.
Yeah, and you give up a little bit of speed on the entry, but you get it all back and then some.
Yeah,
with a
'cause
good exit.
That corner's so flat.
Yeah, because that right-hander is really part of the straight.
Yeah.
And as you build comfort with it and more familiarity with how the car works through there, you'll be able to go faster through that right-hander and get up to speed onto the back straight even a little